Now, one of my other things that I love, or one of the other many things I love about the way that these AMG GTRs are, it's just, yeah, it's built like a race car. It's built like, you know, you could compare this against even though it's a different type of comparison, but if you're going through other brands like the GT3 RS or other, you know, even Lambos or some Ferraris, this thing still is like, they have all these little features that are still like you wouldn't expect to get them. Burmester high-end sound system sounds like insanely good. You have full Alcantara roof liners, all that stuff, which is, again, I guess related to the, or you could call it, it still comes in some of the really high-end S-classes and things like that. So it's really elegant feeling. Kind of strange. I don't know, you tell me what you think about this, but if you want to put your heated seats on, they're up here for some reason, up by where you're, you know, the top